Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. Friends, you want to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code on your phone. So my how to pair today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. First friends, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you will have to enable guys your phone Wi-Fi setting. So guys, we will enable Wi-Fi. After enable guys this phone friends, first I will connect this Wi-Fi network, and guys I will share from here guys. In this phone guys, without internet guys, we will pair Wi-Fi network. So guys I will show you guys this network guys, I will connect on this phone. And friends, you can see same network is here. So guys, if you click here friends, you will have to enter password. So if you will not enter password guys, we will connect direct. Friend, this phone, click right side icon and QR code, and on our Oppo phone friends, we will click scanner, and guys now we will scan this QR code friends. Friends, you can see after scan friends, we Wi-Fi will pair on our Oppo phone, and friends we can use this Wi-Fi network. So friends, you don't have mobile data, you can pair Wi-Fi network with QR code, and friends you can use your online apps. Example YouTube guys, we will on it. So like that friends, we can use YouTube. So I hope friends you understood how to pair Wi-Fi network friends with QR code. And once you don't want to use network, friends you can disconnect, you can remove from here. If you click here, so friends you cannot use again this Wi-Fi network guys. Again guys, you will have to scan this Wi-Fi network, and guys you will have to enter password. So like that guys, we can use Wi-Fi setting, we can pair Wi-Fi with QR code. So bye guys.